12:24 here on this noon hour on Monday. Clouds thickening. If you haven't been outside, well, you're missing a nice day in terms of temperatures, but there are a lot of clouds. You won't be seeing too much sun getting through today. You might see a little sprinkle or a very light rain shower mainly tonight or Tuesday, but we're talking about tiny amounts of rain. I mean, not enough to really even do much more than put spots on your car in most areas. Temperatures will be mainly in the 70s this afternoon, but could make it above 80 tomorrow, and most of the week ahead could be back in the 80s, at least through about Friday or Saturday before another cool front comes in for next weekend. Satellite radar does show clouds and more clouds across the area, but you see a couple little blips of green on there. Probably not much of any of that hit the ground this morning coming into Starr County, but maybe a little sprinkle could briefly fall at times today. The clouds trying to thicken up. Most of the rain showers are offshore. There's a little kind of weak disturbance moving northward that will kind of move across the area tonight that may help bring back a few of these little light rain showers, but still we're expecting probably no more than 1/10 of an inch of rain tonight or tomorrow. Temperatures are near 70 right now. We're at 70 in Edinburgh, 69 in McAllen, and 73 in Brownsville. And the wind flow, it was kind of from the north yesterday. You felt that little breeze going to switch more toward the east now and even starting to go southeast in Brownsville. And I think the winds will turn more toward the southeast tomorrow, which will help raise the humidity and temperature. So, you know, we had a nice weekend where the humidity was down. The humidity is kind of on its way gradually higher today, but we'll be a little more muggy by the time we get toward tomorrow afternoon and Wednesday. Future Track does have a lot of clouds around. You see almost no rain showing up anywhere. It's all dry this afternoon on Future Track. By late tonight, there's 11 p.m. You see maybe a few blips of green on the edge of the screen and the little light green indicating some very light rain showers and sprinkles late tonight and tomorrow morning. There also is a warm front moving up from the south. As that front moves across the area tomorrow, that helps to raise the humidity and the temperature. So once that front passes, temperatures have a better chance to be above 80 tomorrow afternoon and especially on Wednesday. We may see a few breaks in the clouds at times tomorrow afternoon, but you notice clouds do fill back in tomorrow night and Wednesday morning. But overall, it does look fairly warm behind that front. And I think Wednesday is a day we start off with early morning clouds and then at least partly sunny skies by afternoon, which will help raise temperatures back into the 80s again. Now, in terms of rainfall amounts, like I said, very little. You look at Future Track, and this goes through tonight and tomorrow. You notice how the model's only forecasting through Tuesday morning no more than just a few hundredths of an inch. So, I mean, we're not going to get much. It looks like very little rain. If you put it on graph form here with the rain chances, again, maybe a spotty sprinkle later this evening and then very light rain showers or a sprinkle tonight and tomorrow morning. So our rain chances go from near zero now to maybe about 20 to 30% late this evening and peaks at about 40% late tonight and tomorrow morning, then gradually starts to fade away again. So, you know, probably this time period here about 11 p.m. tonight through about noon tomorrow might be your best chance to see a couple sprinkles. But this is the time of year when you don't usually get much rain. You look at the driest months in McAllen and also in Brownsville, and kind of the winter months, November, March, and January are the three driest months in McAllen. February, December, and March are the three driest in Brownsville. And actually, February is barely behind January in McAllen. So this is a time when we do get rain. When we do see rain, it doesn't get too heavy overall. I mean, when you only get maybe an inch or so for the entire month on average, you don't see a lot of rain coming down at once, typically this time of year. 73 today, mostly cloudy skies, and maybe a little light sprinkle or rain shower as we get toward the evening hours, but mainly it looks dry. Tonight down to 66 degrees, clouds around, maybe a few sprinkles or a light rain shower, but a cloudy night with increasing humidity. And then the first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Again, mainly a sprinkle or light rain shower tonight and kind of during the morning hours tomorrow. Near 83 tomorrow afternoon with the humidity on the rise a bit. 84 on Wednesday, 84 on Thursday. We could see a little sun each afternoon, but starting off with clouds each morning. Friday still fairly warm and very light rain shower possibilities. There is a cold front arriving by sometime later Saturday or early Sunday. Then it will get breezy and cooler again with a better chance of some light rain showers as the front passes. We'll keep tracking those fronts ahead in your first 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.